Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Mary Ellen, and if you're new here, thanks for stopping by. Today I'm going to be doing a flip through of this new Disney Princess Happy Planner. It's a classic vertical layout, and it's for 2021, so if you'd like to see that, keep watching. All right, so first thing I want to mention is this is a Walmart exclusive planner. So this is not going to be available on the Happy Planner website. This will be available at Walmart in store. So it is actually available right now. You can go in and purchase it whenever you want. I don't think this is going to be on the Walmart website, so just keep that in mind. And this is a planner for 2021. It is a 12-month planner, so it goes January to December. And it's a classic vertical layout, which happens to be my favorite. So let me just pull this off so you can see it better. So first off, you'll notice we have three princesses on the cover. We have Cinderella, Tiana, and Snow White. And it says, kindness is magic. There's sort of like a gold foil accent to this. I love the color palette. It's very, I love the dark blue. We don't see that a whole lot from the Happy Planner, so that makes me happy. We have dark blue plastic discs here as well. So on the back is like a kind of a subtle, soft blue here, which is nice. It's almost like a blue-gray. It says, hello, beautiful. This magical Happy Planner belongs to. Love that. Okay, so here we have your calendar for 2021 and 2022 with the princesses down here. And then we have these year-at-a-glance pages. And if you'll notice, there is like a dark blue in the middle here with some white cute stars. So all of these year-at-a-glance pages have that bluish gray sort of color, which is nice. It's really subtle and kind of neutral. Okay, so for January, this is going to be your currently page. Each month is going to be sort of like a little picture here of a princess or something. Here is Snow White. It says important dates, and you have a whole section here of dot grid. So it's kind of just really versatile. There's no prompts or anything like that, but I think that you can definitely use it for whatever you like. I love the colors here. It is very mature, if that makes sense. And I just think the illustrations here are gorgeous. So this divider says kind, and it is like a gold foil. Okay, next we're going into the months. So here's January 2021. It says Once Upon a Time up here, and then it has some little pictures on the holidays, which is cute. It's just a nice little accent. The middle of the page has changed to a maroon color, and I guess it might be different for each princess, but we will see. Okay. So you have a little picture of Snow White up here. This is pretty neutral. It is not overly decorative, which I like, but yet it's enough decoration that if you're someone who wants decoration on your layout, it's probably enough for you. So over here in the sidebar, it's like a dot grid. And then these lines are like a dark maroon color. It's very, like I said, kind of grown up and neutral. Here, the middle here has changed. It is not maroon anymore, but it's white with which I like. I like the white better, with little stars of the same color palette. And look, there's little birds over there, just enough to be decorative without being overwhelming. So here it's the same picture of Snow White, but there's the little deer down there. And then it goes back to the birds. And then the deer. Okay. So next we have Tiana. Oh my gosh, this is so pretty. I love the colors here so much. I love this light green with the yellow. It says, light the way to your dreams. And this is gold foil. This is gorgeous. Look at these frogs over here. I just love green so much, and I just love this whole vibe that's happening here. So February is going to be dark green in the middle. And again, you're going to have these little subtle, tiny little pictures on the holidays, which are Disney princess related, which I like. Up here it says Once Upon a Time, and you have a little frog. And this is what February looks like. Again, it's very clean, which I love. Like, it's a really clean look. It's not overpowering, but yet it's still cute, right? So Tiana's up there, and then look at this little guy down there. This is like a very dark green. It's not quite black. It might look black on screen, but these lines are very dark green. The middle has light pink stars. And same deal, it's going to be like the same as the other one, except the picture is just going to change for each week. Okay, for March, it is Cinderella. It says, be proud of who you are. We have like her over here with the fairy godmother. We have a pink theme. And then this middle part is black here. Okay, so for March, here's what it looks like. The middle part is blue. I can't really tell. I think that the lines are actually black here, but it's, or they could be very dark color, but it's like kind of hard to tell. I think that they're maybe either very dark blue or black. These little mice down there dancing, and some birds. The middle stars are light blue. Okay. So now we are into April. We are back to Snow White. It says, see the good in every day. So this April is going to look like, I guess, January did. Same deal. Okay, so next we are into May. Again, Tiana themed. Plans are dreams in the making. There is some gold foil stars on there. Now June is Cinderella again. It says always believe in yourself. That's so cute. July is Snow White again. Do good and good will come to you. So it keeps alternating between those three princesses. August says you are made of magic. Okay, September doesn't say anything. It's just like white with little gold polka dots, which I think is so cute. And there's a tiny little gold crown there, which is adorable. Okay, October is Snow White. It says always be you. Really pretty illustration here. I think that's so cute. Like, I love how the lines are like little brush strokes, kind of. Let me just show you. I keep trying to show you the month because these little pictures change. I don't know if you like can even see that, but I'm trying to show you everything I can. Okay, so November is Tiana again. Never be afraid to dream big. The illustrations are just so pretty. And then December, Cinderella, never be afraid to chase your dreams. Okay, and then on the back sheet of every happy planner, like because it always ends on a week, the back is always just a little piece of note paper, and that's what this looks like. It's just lined with some stars in the middle. And then the same type of pattern that was on the inside cover. And then we will check out the back cover. It is just blue, and it has like tiny little, very subtle stars, like light blue stars. So that is it. That is your Disney Princess Classic Happy Planner. I think they did a great job on this. I think they knocked it out of the park. Let me know in the comments what you think, and check out my other flip throughs. Again, this is a Walmart exclusive, so you can go there to purchase. All right, have a great day, everyone. See ya.